In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a ChatGPT account flagged for potential abuse. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get right into it. If your ChatGPT account has been flagged for potential abuse, it's important to remember, don't panic. This situation can seem overwhelming at first, but there's a straightforward way to address it. I'm here to walk you through the quickest and safest method, step by step. First things first, the most crucial step you can take is to simply stop using your account for a while. I know it might be hard to resist the urge to log in repeatedly or refresh the page, but trust me, this can sometimes exacerbate the issue. Give your account a breather and take a pause for about 24 to 48 hours. This break is essential because it allows your account to cool down and might even clear up the warning on its own. Now, while you're in that waiting period, let's talk about something that might be causing the flagging in the first place. If you're currently using a VPN or any proxy services, it's wise to turn those off completely. VPNs can trigger unusual network behavior, and that's one of the most common reasons accounts get flagged. So if you have a VPN enabled, go ahead and disable it. Don't forget to turn off any proxies you might be using as well. Now, once those are off, try signing in again using your regular internet connection. Oftentimes, switching back to a regular network can make your activity appear more natural and consistent, which can help resolve the flag. Next up, it's time to secure your account even further. Go ahead and open ChatGPT and click on your profile. This is usually found either in the app or on the website. From your profile, navigate to the settings and then click on the security option. If you haven't added a password yet, now is the time to do so. If you've already set one, consider changing it to something new and strong. Make sure it's a password that you haven't used anywhere else and that it's challenging to guess. This step is crucial, particularly in case there's been any suspicious activity on your account or if the system wants to confirm that you are indeed the rightful owner. Now, after you've taken these steps, if your account is still flagged and you're unable to log in properly, the next move is to contact support. Start by clicking on your profile and then head over to the Help section. Within that section, look for the option to report a bug or submit a request. Take your time filling out the form and be sure to explain your situation clearly. Mention that your ChatGPT account was flagged for potential abuse, and keep them informed that you've already halted any activity, disabled your VPN or proxy, and changed your password. The clearer you are in your explanation, the better support will be able to assist you. Once you submit your request, patience becomes key. Responses from support can sometimes take a little while, especially if they have a lot of inquiries to address. While you're waiting, avoid opening new reports unless absolutely necessary, and definitely refrain from spamming login attempts. Just let your account be and check back later for a response. So, to recap, if your ChatGPT account has been flagged for potential abuse, here's what you should do. Stop any activity for 24 to 48 hours, disable your VPN or proxy services, secure your account by changing your password, and if needed, contact support through the Help and Report Bug option. By following these steps, you'll give yourself the best chance of restoring normal access to your account safely and effectively. If this video has helped you out, please take a moment to like it and subscribe for more detailed tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.